Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have this 2021 Chevrolet Blazer 2LT. This one features the 2.0 turbo, which is really a lot of motor. Summit white over jet black, total price of $38,140. Absolutely awesome. This one features the cloth interior. Not bad at all. That's not going anywhere. Do love the dual exhaust. Let's pop the hood, take a look at that 2.0. The 2.0 turbo 4-cylinder is the base motor for the Blazer. Of course, you can get the upgraded 3.6 V6. Not a bad motor at all. Nine-speed automatic. Whew. All right, give me more chair warm. I want chair warm. Of course, heated seats. Open the glove box. Press that button there. All your different drive modes. All right, let's go ahead, take this thing out for a drive. I'm a huge fan of the Blazer. It's kind of marketed as the four-door Camaro. Not bad over this snow and slush. Yeah, right there, it just slid right across that ice. The 9-speed, of course, is a torque converter automatic, not a dual clutch or a CVT. It's a derivative of the 10-speed, I do believe, just short one-gear ratio. I do love the 2-liter. It just provides a ton of torque down low. And it really does feel very, very quick. This thing drives so well. I mean, for an SUV, it's definitely one of the best on the market in terms of sporty driving. As you can tell, I mean, this thing is quick, properly quick. However, if you want more power, you can always get the 6-cylinder, which is personally the way I would go. Blazer RS is one of my favorites. Put it directly on the ice. Up the snow and ice, no problem. And we'll have turning radius. Not bad at all. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.